Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to download Coreldraw for free. So if you're into getting the Coreldraw but you don't want to purchase it, you want its free solution, then I'll show you how it could be possible. So first simply go to the browser and then you have to search for Coreldraw. Then from the first link, click onto it and after that you will get to the website of Coreldraw. As you get there, you can see we have two plans and both of them are subscription based, like we have to purchase it. There's literally no other option through which you can get it for free. But I'll show you a hack through which you can get it. So you have to simply go to the down of the page and within products you will see this option called free trial. You have to simply click onto it and after that you will be able to use it for 15 days for free, but it will be on its browser. So for that you have to simply click on try now and then it will ask you to simply sign up using your email address. Once you do that you will be able to use it. So you can either sign up using your Google or your Facebook, so it's up to you. Use one of them and after that it will ask you to set up your account. Just simply add all the details it asks you, like your name, your second name. Then you have to get agree to their terms and condition. Just simply do it and here it is. Now you can use it for free completely for 15 days. This one will be on the web browser. You cannot download it but you will still be able to use it. You have the full access to it. All the features, all the elements will be there. Just simply use it and for whatever purpose you want to use it, just do it. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. In case you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.